I'm replacing the screen of a Samsung Galaxy A32. First, you're going to want to remove, as always, the SIM card tray. As you can see, the display of this phone is completely broken. It is unusable. Thus, it needs to be replaced. First thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to remove the back plate and remove the screws that hold in this middle part. As you can see, there's quite a lot of screws. They're all Phillips head screws. Some of them are slightly smaller, but I was able to remove them with the same screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, you're going to want to jam something in between the middle part and the main frame. Right here I used a box cutter, but you can use anything else that is thin enough to go in between the display and the main frame. Once you remove it off of one side, it is quite easily removable. As you can see, once you remove the middle part, you're going to have access to the main board, the battery, and the speaker and USB-C port. Remove these connections. That is the main display connection, and this is the battery connection. Then you can move on to removing the main board, which is held in by one screw. The bottom board is held in by these plastic bits. You can bend them out of the way in order to take it out more easily. Next, you're going to want to take out the battery, which is held in by some adhesive that you can remove using isopropyl alcohol. Right here is the new display. The front-facing speaker. Which is held in quite tightly. Right here I broke it, but I was able to fix it. After that, you can go onto the vibration module, which again is held in quite tightly. I was able to remove all of this with a flathead screwdriver. You simply jam it in between the frame and the component. You also have to take out the volume up and down, but volume up and down buttons. Which again are held in by some adhesive that is easily removed. Next, you're going to want to place the components previously removed into the new frame. You don't have to reapply adhesive, as you can use the old one. Next, you can install the motherboard. And the bottom board. The wires are seated into this channel to the right of the frame. Once you have placed all the components, including the battery and the front-facing camera, you can put the middle part back on. Then you can screw the middle part back in. Once done, you can just place the back cover back on and test the phone. As you can see, this was quite an easy repair. It would have been far more complicated if I used just the LCD screen and not the LCD screen with the frame included. Then I would have to use the adhesive. Though the frame comes at a drawback in cost, as it is far more expensive to buy the frame alongside with the LCD instead of just buying the LCD. I charged the phone and checked it. As you can see, it works perfectly.